even after they endured hardship, even after they endured enslavement, even after people tried to strip them of their names. Evil, Madinka, Maleke, Uniba, Gullah, Geechee, Mendi, Tembi, Fiji, Bibio, they survived it because God gave them love. God gave them faith. And guess what? God gave them freedom. Many times people wonder, well, how am I still a lady in Charleston? How am I still a lady from Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida? How am I still stand? We say, because God made us so. God let me who we be. You know one thing? But 152 years ago, right here down the street, place called the City of the Day. There it is, take starter. Big shoot in the corner. Now I'm call them civil war and anything like that. And Lord, when we've been to each other, we jump back to the others and how you get this young man? I got 10 years, like 20 years, anything like that. And then they all on the TV say, African people now have land. So African people now they ain't put the land no more. Say, all of that kind thing are gone from the south. Because it used to be sharecropper. No, your ancestors say no such a thing. We never see a from you. You want this year. Same land thing. But 1862 did and thing. One of them in the whore. Because your ancestors have been the one who fight for this your land. Well, one of the dead now, they get their okra and meadows and things like that. That in the same land, you only way I see how I'm caught in the indigo and take more now. Well, I'm going to get that melon, you want to, well, I'm going to go and I'm trying to get that crease salad over yonder. I'm going to go and get that whole hound and things like that. Like everlasting, all of that. They say, all of this shall lie. Been away, the ancestors the day before now. And then they said, we say, get out. Who did never hear it? Who did granduncle live? Tell them about that. What big shoot? I said, no man. So when they had gone on to the porch and started to grieve. When I get to that porch and start to grieve, should I tell you, been a time when that spirit of what no more Souljah, what been in the Bible saw the grief, it come right through. And I see him, and then I stand on him, and if it's still hot when it blew, you're gonna fall. And it became marching in. And I look what I said, well, good morning, son. And it's low man. And when it come, the spirit come in. Just like it was South Carolina rock terrorism spirit. And I march on traditions. And when they get there, I study them. And they such a proud man, you know. I started to wonder what story meant. And I said, son, I knew God must have sent on to this ship. But not we. Who wanted to be? I said, no, see. He ain't just an indigo day in our uniform day. Some be blood, some be sweat, some be tears day in it. But in 1862, he not be in school saying they don't Souljah be black. Where you come from, son? What a story, man. You know what? I tell you, you water with the Souljah. And they start to cracking teeth with me. They love me. Oh, but who you been to me? Just take with your heart. And they go and let her know who you been to. Yeah, Souljah, sweet.
Glory, glory, hallelujah, when I lay my burden down, Lord. Glory, glory, hallelujah, when I lay my burden down. When I lay my burden down, Lord, when I lay my burden down. Glory, glory, hallelujah, when I lay my burden down. And I laid my burden down too. Yes, I did. You know, the Constitution of America clearly states, we hold in truth to be self-evident that all men are created equal and endowed by the Creator with certain inalienable rights. And that among these rights of life, liberty, and it was truly happiness. But hell, the damn soul was talking about the Negro when it was done. The Bible pursuit of happiness is the pursuit of freedom, and I will on there to show that freedom becomes a reality for all. And I have plugged the hell of a bird on the white man. That's the whole down the race of people, 7 years a week, 24 hours a day. Hell, he too was a slave. But we gonna free him now too. We all want to be free here and there. We all want to be free. Me? I was born a slave. Then at Devil Cloud Plantation on the shoulder of Buffalo River on James Island, South Carolina. I had to escape. And one day, me and my pappy, we were near the plantain in the field. But my pappy said, son, Lord have mercy, take off old people. We got some hotel Master Cloud right away, take off old people. Let's go. Master Cloud, him and they didn't talk to that big bucker, but they did it for the Bill Bluff Plantation. Me and my dad, we run over to Master Cloud. And my dad said, Master Cloud, take off old people. We're going to try to see this car right away, Master. We're going to see Master Cloud, look at me. Then Master Cloud, look at that big bucker they did for the Bill Bluff Plantation. Then Master McCall slapped my daddy down right there in front of me. My daddy over here, feel like that right there. Look at that. Look at that. Master McCall said, nigga, when you see 2 white men talking, you don't say nothing, boy. Like, who get it? Get it! Then you put a fucking right there in front of me. Well, like you right there, I was going to run. Yeah. I was going to run. And that's what I did. That very same night. In the wee hours of the morning. Had a chica robo. And they thought I was dead in the vulture when I tell them I'm going to keep that robo and go my way to freedom. I go my way to freedom right there. From the Wacoot River, I rolled it down to the Ashupukat River. From the Ashupukat River, I rolled it down to the Coonback River. Beautiful South Carolina. I made it. There I met with the Roberts Hall. Who allowed me to work on the sail, on the steamboat, going north, Now the work on the steamboat was backbreaking. Hell, the navigation doesn't like nobody. Oh, the full of freedom was so strong. It was so sweet. Full of freedom. And when we traveled up the night, you see boat by boat. First met North Carolina, Virginia, Philadelphia, New York, Connecticut, finally Boston, Massachusetts. I made it. I was free now. And I ain't never going back down there. Never. My man, boy, never say never. Never say never. I'm going to do something, Lord. My man, my back. My sister, my brother, what did they do? This South Carolina, they said, let me do something, Lord. Please show me a way. Give me a sign. Then we're going to have Lincoln sign the Emancipation Proclamation. Then America decides to let the Negro get on the fight to help preserve this union and to prove that we were man. But hell, we were always man. God made us man, and that was established for the foundation of the world. Well, other men needed labor. They made us slaves. And then when they needed a force, guess what? They made us soldiers. We're soldiers from the North. The Massachusetts 54th Regiment will General Gilmore's federal army bought over to James Island to hold General P. and Beauregard to the federal troops. There's a lot of things we can't recall. I remember the long night walkway ran across the marsh to Coles Island on the Big Falling River. Now, John Ray Gerald and Johnson Hagan and the men tried to trap him by coming in on Souljah Island and cutting us off. But there was something they never saw before. Blacks and blues. You're a free group that they from the 54th stand strong on solid ground. This I'll never forget that name. It was July 16, 1863, during the Battle of Souljah Island. And Johnny Ray, he moved up from succession. I remember Lord. What's about 3,200 in Johnny Ray who went for succession and James down the line. And then, therefore, they made Johnny Ray Cannon open up on us. Pushing the Yankee gun most was going wide open. By the time that damn joint where they charged us, we had to jump minutes, they had, Lord, 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 Lord. I said, Lord, 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 Lord. Oh, my Lord, 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 Lord. Now, I'm going to go back, but 2 by 2, and talk to people for kangaroo. He back the ship, I'm so tired, I can get no sleep that night. I said, Lord, 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 Lord. Oh, my Lord, 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 Lord. Well, so. Hey, this boy, I'm pretty bad at it. She ever said something to run. Some of you gave up. But most of us are strong, and we fall. But you know, God works in mysterious ways when it's in the whole. Now there was this soldier, and he was truly the soldier of all. That'd be that Colonel Robert Gould Shaw. Now his bar to Shaw should be buried with a soldier. He wasn't a private burial. You see, Shaw was a white man. And for him to bury them with all the Negroes, that was unheard of. Johnny Beck he thought that would be the final act of disrespect. Burying them in one big hole with us. Instead, to be a martyr. A true American hero through eternity. In eternity after that. And before I be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and live free. God bless you.